In the Bilkis Bano case, the convicts have sought more time to surrender. We are learning now the three convicts approached the Supreme Court and have sought more time to surrender before the court. They are expected to surrender before the court by January 22nd, and now the Supreme Court has agreed to list the convicts' petition. The Supreme Court is expected to hear the rapist plea tomorrow. Three convicts who've been seeking extension of time to surrender had approached the Supreme Court, and now the Supreme Court has agreed to list tomorrow the application filed by the three convicts in the case. Remember, the convicts have to surrender before the court before 22nd of January, but now they have approached the top court and are asking for more time to surrender. This is what we are learning now. In their petitions also, the three convicts have mentioned they have cited reasons ranging from family weddings as well as their dependent parents to the harvest season, requesting for more time. Arvind Gunasekar, my colleague, is now joining us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Arvind, what more is being learned about the case now? The Supreme Court has agreed to list the convicts' plea for tomorrow.
Three of the convicts in the Bilkis Bano case have moved Supreme Court seeking extension of time to surrender in connection with the case. Earlier, Supreme Court had quashed the remission order or premature release of all these convicts, and then Supreme Court had also ordered all these convicts to surrender by Sunday before the concerned jail authorities. So three of the convicts have moved Supreme Court, of which two have sought 6 weeks' time, and one of the convicts has sought almost 3 weeks' time to surrender. So today the matter was mentioned before Supreme Court, wherein Supreme Court Judge Justice Nagaratna told the counsel appearing for the convicts to approach the CJ and also to get necessary permission from the registry in order to constitute the bench so that Supreme Court can hear this matter, because the senior advocate appearing for the convicts told the Supreme Court that the convicts have been asked to surrender by Sunday, and Supreme Court should hear the matter preferably by tomorrow, so that Supreme Court can hear the matter. So Supreme Court asked the counsel to approach the registry so that the matter can be listed before the consent bench tomorrow.
All right. Thank you so much, Arvind, for getting us all those details there. Remember, in a landmark verdict on January 8th, the court had cancelled Gujarat government's decision to grant remission to all three convicts, and the convicts' plea is expected to be heard in the court tomorrow.